Slovenia in summer is a paradise of verdant landscapes, azure lakes, and alpine meadows bathed in sunlight. Explore the emerald waters of Lake Bled, where a picturesque island beckons with its medieval church. Hike through the Triglav National Park's lush forests and discover hidden waterfalls and breathtaking vistas. Dive into the refreshing waters of the Soca River for thrilling water sports, or simply bask in the tranquility of its banks. Indulge in local cuisine at charming outdoor cafes, savoring the flavors of freshly harvested produce. Experience the magic of Slovenia's summer, where every moment is a celebration of nature's beauty.